Hey guys, welcome back. I am back this week. Sorry that I took last week off. The deals just weren't awesome for Walgreens last week, and so I didn't do a video, but I am back, don't worry, and I will be walking you through the best Walgreens deals this week. Honestly, the morning didn't work out quite the way I was planning, but I still got some great deals. I did not use my spend booster. My spend booster this week was spend 50, get 10, and I just didn't want to spend that much. And so I did do the majority of these deals curbside. I'll tell you which ones you can do curbside, which ones you can do in the store. But there were some good deals this week, especially when you combine with some cashback apps. So I want to start with one of the simplest ones. It's on the Scott toilet paper or the Scott paper towels. They are $5. There is a $1.25 store digital coupon. That's going to come off for each one you purchase. There's also a $1 manufacturer coupon. So if you buy one toilet paper, a $1.25 will come off and a $1 will come off when you clip both of those coupons, leaving your final cost to be $2.75. You could do that deal with the paper towels as well. The $1 manufacturer digital is only going to come off once, but that store digital will apply multiple times. So that's an easy deal this week. This is also an easy deal. The Febreze sprays, if this is something that you use, they're $3.29 and there's a $2.30 digital coupon, making it just 99 cents. Now, this isn't something that I would normally pay 99 cents for, but it is a decent price if it's something that you buy quite a bit. Another easy deal, great deal is on the Walgreens shower caps. They're $1.29. There is a $1 Walgreens store coupon, making it just 29 cents, and you can use that coupon multiple times. So you could put multiple of these in your cart. You should see that $1 come off multiple times. I should have tried it out and I didn't. I only picked up one of them at a total cost of 29 cents. And someone asked me before, are these the thicker ones that are reusable? Well, obviously I haven't opened it up, but they aren't the super thin ones, but also not the super thick ones. So it's kind of in between. The Bic razors, another freebie this week, $3.99. This is a curbside price. I don't know what the price is in store. So I put this in my cart at $3.99. The $4 digital came off, making it completely free. My guess is it's a little bit more expensive in store. So I would do that one curbside. The Finish Quantum tabs. Good deal on these. They're $5.49. There's a $2 digital coupon. You'll pay $3.49, but then check your Ibotta app because I had a $1 rebate, making it $2.49 for this pack of Finish. Not a bad deal, especially if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay for it. There was another Ibotta deal. Oh, so these, I know these are starting to get hard to find, but if your store carries the Nivea Sensitive, the ones that are $3.14, you pick up two of them, that's $6.28. You're going to get $5 in Walgreens cash back and $1 back on each of them on Ibotta, making them both free and a 72-cent moneymaker. Now, a lot of people have said, hey, my store has them at $4 and something. That means your store doesn't have this kind. There's another kind that's, I think it's $4.98. Don't quote me on that, but there's one that's a little bit more expensive. So obviously those aren't free, but still a decent deal if you like that Nivea shave. Now, I only have one of these because I didn't actually buy these this week. I pulled this out of my pantry. I don't use Equal, so I had this still from a Walgreens deal a long time ago. But these are $2.29. They're buy one, get one free. So you'll pay $2.29. They were in-store price $2.29. They're online price $2.29, so you can do it either way. Buy one, get one free, you'll pay $2.29 at the register, but then there's a Ibotta rebate for 75 cents back on each of them, so $1.50 back on Ibotta, making it 79 cents for both, or just 39 cents each. Now, if you don't have Ibotta yet, grab it with my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Here is another Ibotta deal on the Apple Jacks. So the Apple Jacks are $4.29. I can't even find these on the app, but in store they're $4.29. Buy one, get one free. Okay, so we'll pay $4.29. Then 75-cent rebate each on Ibotta, so you'll get $1.50 back on Ibotta, making them $2.79 for both, or $1.39 each. Let's talk about some Fetch Rewards deals. Now, these Suave shampoos and conditioners, if your store carries the $1.99 ones, pick up 2 of them. There's a $1 digital coupon, so you'll pay $2.98. But then check your Fetch Rewards app to see if you have a $2.75 rebate on, it's a number of different Unilever products, including the Suave. That made these 23 cents total, or 11 cents each. Now, my receipt did not pick up that offer on Fetch, so I did have to email them, and they credited me the $2.75. So if you don't want to mess with that, just a heads up on that one. I feel like there was another Fetch Rewards. Oh, yeah. The Axe. So we're going to buy 3 of these at $5. That's $15. There's 2 different digital coupons, a $4 digital coupon and a $2 digital coupon. We can use both because we're buying 3 items. We'll pay $9. If you do this in store, you're going to get a $5 register reward. I did it curbside and I got $5 in Walgreens cash. Now, I also submitted my receipt because I had $2 back on Fetch when I buy 2 of these. So I got $2 back there, making my final cost $2 for all 3, or 66 cents each. So again, if you like the Axe products, not a bad deal there. Now, Shop Kick offer, and this is, I was trying to put together a bigger Nexus deal and my store was out of stock. I placed a curbside order, something got canceled, so that all became a big old mess. Nexus products are spend $25, get $10 in Walgreens cash. Now, I don't believe the stylers are included. It doesn't appear that way on the website, but they're still a decent deal. These stylers are $11.99 online price. There's a $5 digital coupon, so you'll pay $6.99. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick, where you'll get $4 back, making your final cost $2.99 when it's a regularly $11.99. Not a bad price. Also not the best price we've ever gotten. Now, if you're brand new to Shopkick, use the referral code SWC5 because you're going to score an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. So that would make it completely free. The vitamins I mentioned before, but if you haven't used the coupons and you missed me talking about it, these Walgreens vitamins, the vitamin A is the cheapest one I could find at $4.29. They're buy one, get one free. So $4.29 total, but there's 2 different digital coupons. There's a $4 off 2, as well as a $4 off 2 store digital. So the $4 will come off. That store digital automatically adjusts down to 14 cents, making your final cost 15 cents for both of these. And you can do that with other vitamins in the Walgreens line. This is just the least expensive one I could find, but I believe the melatonin's right around $5.99. Now, this one I did curbside, but it may be a better deal in store, and let me tell you why. These are 2 for $11, okay? But we want to buy 3 of them. So 2 for $11 means they're $5.50 each. So buying 3 of them is $16.50, okay? When you buy 3 in store, you're supposed to get a $5 register reward and a $3 register reward. So $8 back, dropping your cost to $8.50 for all 3, or $2.83 each. Now, I did this as curbside, okay? Same pricing. I paid $16.50, but when I picked it up, I did not get the $3. I only got $5 in Walgreens cash. So that made my cost just a little bit more at $1 more each, or $3.83 each. Again, if you're brand loyal, that might be a price that you would want to pick those up at. I think that was everything. I always feel like I missed something. Of course, Don't forget to go through Rakuten to get your percentage back when you're shopping. I mention this almost every Walgreens video, but if you're brand new to Rakuten and you use my link down below, if you spend $30 out of pocket, okay, before taxes, so $30 before taxes, you're going to get $30 back from Rakuten. So it's a great, great deal for brand new people there. I'll drop my link down below. I believe that's everything that I wanted to tell you guys about. I know it's been a while, so if you have questions, let me know. I saw almost nothing on clearance today when I was in the store, but I only went to one store this morning because I was already running a little bit behind. I'll try to pop into another one later today and see if I can snag some more clearance pictures for you. That's the thing I wanted to tell you. I have 2 YouTube giveaways coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. Super excited to be able to treat you guys to some pretty cool gift card opportunities. Thanks.